Today, I'll show you how to quickly locate your Twilio phone number. First, log into your Twilio account at console.twilio.com using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be in the Twilio console, your hub for all account settings and monitoring. On the left sidebar, look for the menu icon to expand it if needed. This will reveal all available options and make navigation easier. Next, navigate to the phone number section, then go to Manage and finally select Active Numbers. Here, you will see a complete list of all Twilio phone numbers linked to your account. If this guide is helping you, hit the like button to get more tech tutorials like this. Clicking on any number in the list opens detailed information, including capabilities like voice, SMS or fax, as well as webhooks and other settings. Familiarizing yourself with these options is essential if you're managing multiple numbers for different services. And that's it! In just a few clicks, you've accessed all your Twilio phone numbers and their details. You can repeat this process anytime you need to check or update your number information. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more Twilio guides and tech tips.